கருணாகர சூரீந்திர குருவர்ய பதாம்புஜாம் நவநீதநட்டோத்தம்சாம் குருபங்கி ஸ்ரீயன்னுமஹா. Tirupavai, a treasure house of trees, the 9th Pasuram. This Pasuram talks about 3 important names of Lord Narayana. Andal was trying to collect all her friends so that they could go and perform the Margari Vrata. One of her friends who did not turn up was approached by Andal in this 9th Pasuram. Andal describes that this friend lay asleep on her bed in very, very deep sleep. Andal tried calling out to her in many possible ways, but this girl did not respond at all. So Andal calls out to the mother of this friend and starts talking to her and asks her if her daughter is dumb, deaf, or extremely lazy. Umayo, Andri Chevido, Anandalo, she asks. The reason behind Andal asking all these questions is to make the mother understand that her daughter is so involved in the thoughts of Krishna that she's not able to get out of that slumber in which Krishna's meditation was the purpose. After this, the mother answers that her daughter indeed is neither dumb nor deaf nor lazy. So Andal has a doubt if her daughter was under the spell, under the wicked spell of some magician. To this, the mother gets scared and asks Andal, what should I do if that is the case? Andal says, please do not worry. I have a mantra, or I have 3 mantras which can be uttered to break any spell. What are those? Mama Yan Madhavan Vaikundan Endrendru. You can take the 3 divine names of Lord Narayana, which are Mamayan. Mamayan refers to the one who can make the impossible possible. Madhavan. Madhavan is the consort of Ma, Lakshmi. Lakshmi Devi is always there to protect us from all kinds of unauspiciousness and evil and wicked spells. So call him Madhava. And call him Vaikunda or Vaikuntha, meaning the one who is the master of the universe, who is above all other gods. If any wicked spell has been cast because of some lower force, that can definitely be overcome by calling out to the Lord Narayana as Vaikuntha. So, you can call out the Lord by these 3 names, Mamayan, Madhavan, Vaikundan, etc. Calling out names can cure a person of any problem, they say. So, Andal finishes the Pasuram by saying, Namam Palavum Navindrelorembavai, sing the names of the Lord that can give you riddance from all kinds of problems. Recite the Sahasranama, recite the Ramanama, for it is called as Brita Sanjeevana. It can even resurrect one who is considered to be no more. Such is the power of the names of the Lord, especially these 3 names that have been mentioned in Pasuram 9 of Tirupavai. To know the next secret of trees, let us listen to tomorrow's Pasuram. Andal Tiruvadigalé Sharanam.